Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, we'll talk about how to run TikTok ads campaign for beginners in 2023. TikTok has become a global phenomenon and an excellent platform for advertising your brand or your business. In this video guys, we'll guide you step by step through the process of setting up your first TikTok ads campaign. So without any further talking, let's get started. The first thing that we need to do guys is go ahead and open our browser and launch it. From there guys, all I need to do is open that website which is at TikTok. So go to your URL section and search for it. So at TikTok or TikTok ads, and here let's click on this one. So here we go. You can click on this or you can just go back and click on tiktokads.com. So you can do whatever you like. So here it is the page for TikTok for businesses. Here all you need to do is log into your existing account. Here we are. So this is our advertising account. This is the dashboard that we will be creating our ads on it. Now, in order for us to start creating our ads, let's go to here to the dashboard or the menu. And next to the dashboard, you will find campaign. So click on it. Let's go and click onto it. And here we go. So now to create our first campaign, what you need to do is click on create from over here. So let's click on create and they will take us to this page. So which ad manager mode best fits your business needs? So here you can choose the simplified mode or the custom mode. For us, we'll go with the simplified mode. So let's click here and now you will start setting up your goal. So what's your advertising goal? To have traffic, community interaction, lead generation, or website conversions. For us, we will need some traffic. You can click here to see the custom mode. So let's click here to see how the custom mode is going to be looking like. So these are like two things. So here the same thing, advertising objective. Here there is awareness, which is reach, consideration, traffic, video views, community interaction, conversion, which is app promotion, lead generation, website conversion. You can go with this if you needed like more detailed campaign for your ads. So for example, here I'm going to choose traffic. Here, this is your campaign name. You can choose, for example, here, campaign for tutorial. Here you can create split test if you'd like, a budget optimization. This you will really need to turn it on, guys. Make sure when you are creating your ads or campaign, make sure to turn this on. So let's do this, and here set your daily budget. So we can set it, for example, to 550 dirhams, which is about $5. And okay, the minimum is about $50. So let's make it 50. So here it is. And here click on continue. Now all you need to do is choose the promotion type. Is it an app or a website? So here are the basically the different kind of things or options. As you can see here, this is the website. And if I clicked here, they will show you the app. So here you can select apps or add ones. Now let's continue with the website. Here there is the placement. So there is the automatic placement. So the ad will be placed on wherever they choose for you, or from here you can select where do you want the ad to be. So panel, advanced settings here, there's TikTok on panel, and here automatic. So for us we'll just keep it on TikTok. Here you can user comments, video download, video sharing. You can keep those. There's no problem with this. And here the creative type. So automated creative optimization. This will turn it off. So we'll keep it that way. Here the targeting. You want a custom targeting or automatic targeting. A custom targeting is manually set criteria for what kind of user you want to show your ad to. So for example, here as you can see, you find the location where you want your campaign to be shown at. Here the languages. So let's choose for example here the USA, so United. So let's search here, United States, and or let's write USA. Where is it? United. It is weird that we don't find it over here. So let's choose another country. So I'm going to choose, for example, Morocco. Here we go. Here for the language, I'm going to choose English. And here for the gender, let's say, for example, that we are selling female clothes. In that case, we will not, of course, show our campaign for males. That will be a waste of money and a waste of our campaign. So in here, I would choose female because like females have like a higher chance to buy the products than males. Here there is the age. So here you just have to select the age of your targeted audience. So let's choose for example between 18 and 24, 25, 34, and 35, 44. This is just an example. You can choose whatever you like. Here the audience. So selected audience, you can here add an audience like you have a document, files, you can add it here. Here interest and behaviors, you can here add an interest, behavior, whatever you'd like. And here the budget and schedule. So here run ad group within a date range. So you can choose here, for example, to run it from a date to another. For example, here we can choose from today till 29th of March. And here when the ad or the campaign is gonna show. So as you can see here, in a specific time or all day long. So here I'm going to choose, for example, specific time, and I'm going to choose only from 8 morning to about 10 or midnight, for example. So that way I will make sure that the ad will not run at night while these people are sleeping, and it will run the whole week. You can choose either you want it to be running the whole week or there is an exception, for example, in one day of the weeks. Here you can just go all the way down, optimization goal, you want it to be a click or landing page view. So I'm going to keep it click, here lowest cost or bid cap. So here you can choose whatever you like and then click on next. And just an information guys, if we went back, so let me just go back. Here you go. After you select all of these options and you make sure that you answered every option, here's the available audience that you will reach. So you have this number of audience that your campaign might appear for them. Here click on next, and then here it is our name, here's TikTok delivers park ads, and here it is how it will be looking like. So now all you need to do is upload the video. You can upload whatever video you have. Here enter a text, and let's show for example something like that, and it will be looking over here. So download now for example, it will be something like that. Here if I went down smart text, you can add smart text if you'd like, and it will be translated to multiple languages. Here is the website link. You can add here the website link, and here website event. So you don't need really to put all of these, you just have to put your website link over here, and these are optional so you can just ignore them. And finally when you finish with all of that, you will have to click on submit, and then they will take you to the payment page where you will have to put your payment method. So in that page basically you can just go for example in here. So this is just an example. We can go here, and from here we can add our payment method. So we can add balance from here, and just like that I can click here to add a payment, push here, put my credit card. After that I click to add balance, and after that you will not be asked in here to add any payment method, and your campaign shall be running easily and freely as long as you have of course some balance in your account. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it. That's how you can start your campaign on TikTok. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you like get all the knowledge now on how to create your own campaign on TikTok and how to get the most revenue out from it. So guys, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.